Students, welcome to our online class. Now I will going to start our standard 8 fourth B second parts. So our second part is start with third point. What is the smallest number that must divide each of the following numbers to make a perfect cube? हमें जो नंबर दिया है उसमें से सबसे छोटा स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर जो बचता है उसको डिवाइड करके हमें उसका फैक्टर उसका परफेक्ट क्यूब निकालना है. तो कैसे करेंगे, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो हेयर आर वन क्वेश्चंस एंड वी डिवाइड दैम इन टू. 2 1 जा 2, 1 remaining 70, 2 8 जा 16, 1 also remaining, 2 5 जा 10, 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4 and 0. Okay, 2 9 जा 18, 2 2 जा 4, 2 6 जा 12, 2 1 जा 2 and 0. 2 4 is 8, 1 remaining, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 1 is also remaining but 2 is not divisible by 1, so we put 0, 2 5 is 10. Now 5 is there, so we divide 3 5 7 because this is odd number. 3 1 is 3, 1 carry, 3 5 is 15, also 1 carry, 3 4 is 12, 1 also carry, 3 3 is 9, 1 carry, 3 5 is 15, again we put 3, 3 5 is 15, 4 is there, 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3 because 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 2 is there, 3 8 is 24, that not be done, so we divide against. Wait, 3 1 is 3, 2 carry, 3 7 is okay, 3 1 is 3, 2 carry, 3 7 is 21, 3 1 is 3 and 3 5 is 15, 1 7 1 5. Okay, now we divide. Last point is 5, 3 or 5, so we divide against 5. 5 3 is 15, so 5 4 is 20 and 5 3 is 15. Next we not divide against 5 because last number 3 3 6 7 8 9 10 and last number is odd but not divided against 5, so we divide 7. 7 4 is 28, 6 is there 63, 7 9 is 63, 7 7 is 49, 7 1 is 7. So here we solve, and what is the cube of there? 370440 is equal to 2's cube into 3's cube into 7's cube, but 5 is not twice or thrice, 5 is only 1, so we divide 370440 against 5 and the answer will be perfect cube. Okay, so you are divide them, and now I will start second point. So students, here we already solved. Now I will explain it. 11 1 1 5 7 6 2 5 0 against 2 5 7 8 8 1 2 5. Next 1 1 5 7 6 2 5 2 3 1 5 2 5 4 6 3 0 5 9 2 6 1 3 0 8 7 1 0 2 9 3 4 3. Also in our first points 49 7 and 1. So here are the number 1 1 5 7 6 2 5 0. How many cube are there? 1 2 and 3. So we have 5's cube into 3's cube into 7's cube, and 2 number are left, 5 and 2. Okay, 5 and 2 are not cube or twice, so we divide 5 into 2 10 divided against 10, and that will be answer. Okay, you solve it, you divide them and put his answer is here. Okay, so this is our second points. Now start third. Here are the third points: 2 0 1 2 4 7 2. Next 1 0 0 6 2 3 6 5 0 3 1 1 8 2 5 1 5 5 9 8 3 8 5 3 2 7 9 5 1 9 3 1 7 1 3 3 1 1 2 1 11 and 1. So the number are 2 0 1 2 4 7 2 is equal to 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, and 7 is left. So this number divisible by 7 and put here the answer. Okay, now you put fourth, solve fourth. So here are next points I already solves and put here, not defines. Divided by what? Okay, 2's cube, 3's cube, again 3's cube, 3 and 7 left. Into 7. 1 2 2 4 7 2 divided by what number is left? 3 and 7. 3 7 into 21. 7 3 is 21. So that will be answer. Who divided 1 2 2 4 7 2 against 21. Okay students, so this is our third point and last point in our fourth B. Okay, thank you.